That's the Bergen Parkway. So if you took a left at the light, this is the view you'd see coming in from there. Coming down here. And there we are. Right around the corner. And here's our waiting room. And display, television to watch, catalogs. That's where you'd get rung up. Alright, now if you did get here, and you were going to park, you can see where this Denali's pulling in. That's the parking area, right to the side of the bay. Don't be afraid to pull in and park. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. And that's where you park, right up alongside the fence. And here's our shop. There's a swing arm lift for the smaller cars and non-exhaust work. And there's the ramp. And the parking area is right out here that you saw earlier.